The topic of our discussion today is modern essay number 5, Nagasaki, August 9, 1945. First of all, we must know the background of the essay. And when we talk about the background of the essay, we come across Second World War and the horrors of Second World War. What happened to the whole universe, whole world? What happened? What kind of destruction were caused by the nuclear weapons? We come across those destructions. In this essay, we have the glimpses of destruction through the writer Maikoto Shimaru, who was the medical student of first year at the medical college at the University of Nagasaki University, Japan. So now we start the discussion from the very beginning that Maikoto Shimaru was there. He was a student of medical, first year student. So he was there and he returned. He wanted to return home, but he know that the situation of the country, the whole circumstances of the country were not good for him to return. He had to leave. He had to put off his decision, and he has to live there. And at about 11 a.m. At about 11 a.m. 11 o'clock, he heard the voice of B-29 aircraft. He was sitting with his friend in the when they heard the voice of the B-29 aircraft, they were terrified, and there was a huge blast in the air, and each and everything was destroyed, was destructed. And when they came out of their house, they first of all they hide themselves in the downstairs and ran to the downstairs to hide themselves, to save themselves. When they came out, they found that there was a destruction on large scale. Dead bodies were there each and everywhere, at everywhere. They found that dead bodies were in large number. The people were wounded. They were in rags. And the dead bodies of the animal were lying on the road. So this whole destruction was caused by the nuclear weapons. These nuclear weapons had brought about a destruction to the whole world, especially to Nagasaki and Hiroshima, two notable cities of Japan. They have been destroyed by American. American dropped the bomb. Nuclear weapons were used to destroy the city Nagasaki. So when we talk about the destruction was not only limited to the human being, but it also engulfed the animals. It also engulfed the whole scenario, whole environment. There was destruction on large scale. Even the trees have got their leaves eaten away, and their leaves were vanished because of the nuclear weapons, because of the bomb blast. And you can see when such thing happened, the crops are destroyed, and each and everything was destroyed. Destruction was on large scale. When the writer went there to his medical college, he found that all the nurses, all the paramedical staff, most of them were injured. They were wounded. Their head were bleeding, and their bodies were bleeding. And he saw different people with vacant chairs. They look like a ghost. They look like not human being but a ghost because of the terrors of the war. Nuclear weapons had injured them, wounded them, and killed them. So, for 4 days, the writer Maikoto Chimaru had been working with the relief parties. After 4 days' work, he left the house, he left the university, he left the college, and he went home. And in the end, he gives us the moral lesson. And what kind of lesson he gives us? The horrors of nuclear weapons. Whatever happened, nuclear weapon should not be used. This is the message of the whole essay. Whatever happened, nuclear weapons should not be used. Nuclear weapon cause a huge destruction. So the writer gives us suggestion that we should, for the sake of peace, we should leave all the weapons. We should say farewell to the arms. And if we want the peace of the world, we should and we will have to say farewell to the arms. Nuclear weapons should not be used, whatever happen, and all the problems should be solved through negotiation, through discussion. If the countries have different kind of problems are there, but they should solve them with negotiation. They should solve them with discussion. They should talk with each other. They should talk with one another to solve their problems. They should not use the terrible nuclear weapons. This is the message of the whole essay. Maikoto Chimaru is eyewitness of the whole destruction caused by the atom bomb, and he has himself witnessed all the events in front of him, and all the terrible situation he himself faced. So he gives us the message that whatever happened, nuclear weapons should not be used. Allah Hafiz.